It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm waiting for my garage door. This damn garage door is better arrive today because I paid for it for like 2 months. I've been waiting for this door. So this is the old door that will get replaced. And hopefully today I'll be able to see the new door. That would be amazing. Yay. Let's do this. New door. I hope it's coming today. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. Yay. Bye-bye garage door. Yay. Let's see if the garage door is finished. Let's have a look. Ooh. Look at all done. Ooh. She's installing the last panel. The window panels from inside. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And then she'll do the black capping trim as well. So it's all gonna match. And at some point, the windows will be changed. They will be black windows. So everything's gonna match. Yay! The garage door is getting installed. Look at all those tools from the gentleman. The garage door is getting installed and same time, of course everything has to happen at the same time. The cracks in the foundation are being repaired as well. Let's go. Let's make it happen. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, it looks like it's almost installed. It looks nice. I like it. Let me tell you, I waited for 2 months for this garage door. Like everything takes time. But it's here, it's happening. So it finally happened. I got my garage door. I have a garage door. I don't have to open it by hand. Cool. And it goes. And now we're gonna go see it from outside. Let's see the effect from outside. Wow, look at this beauty. Look at